In a land where the sky kissed the earth and the clouds danced with the wind, colors lived in harmony, until one day, they didn't. Red, blue, and yellow, the three primary colors, each believed they were the most important. I am the color of fire and passion. Red boomed, puffing out his chest. Without me, apples wouldn't shine, and sunsets wouldn't glow. Pfft. Fire burns, but I am the color of the vast sky and the endless ocean. Blue declared proudly. Without me, the world would have no peace. You're both wrong. Yellow interrupted. I am the color of sunshine and happiness. Without me, the world would be dull and sad. The argument grew louder, shaking the clouds and scaring away the stars. Finally, Gray, the wise old cloud, floated down. Enough, he thundered. Since you cannot see each other's worth, let's see how strong you are, alone. A world without unity. One by one, Gray sent them to different parts of the land, where only their color would exist. Red covered an entire valley in deep crimson. At first, it was magnificent, red apples, red roses, and a red sky. But soon, Red realized something. Everything looked the same. The flowers had no contrast, the fire had no warmth, and the world felt angry. Meanwhile, Blue's kingdom was cool and calm. The sky and sea stretched endlessly, but without the warmth of yellow or the passion of red, everything felt cold and lonely. In the land of yellow, everything glowed like the sun. The fields sparkled, the houses gleamed, but soon, it became too bright. Without blue to cool it down or red to add depth, everything felt blinding and empty. Days passed, and each color grew miserable in their lonely kingdom. I miss the warmth of the sun, sighed Red. I miss the depth of the sky, whispered Yellow. I miss the vibrance of a sunset, admitted Blue. Realizing their mistake, the three colors rushed back to find Gray. We were wrong, they cried. We need each other. The power of unity, Gray smiled. Then, let's bring you together. With a mighty blow, Gray sent a soft rain across the sky. As the raindrops fell, red, blue, and yellow met in the clouds, and something magical happened. Where red and blue collided, a beautiful purple was born. Where blue and yellow met, a fresh, lively green appeared. Where yellow and red mixed, a bold and brilliant orange shone. For the first time, the sky erupted in a rainbow, a magnificent arc of colors, stronger and more beautiful together than ever apart. The colors looked at their creation with awe. Alone, we were dull and incomplete, said Red. But together, we created something incredible, added Blue. We are strongest when we work together, finished Yellow. From that day on, every time the rain met the sun, a rainbow stretched across the sky, a reminder that true strength lies in unity, and the world is most beautiful when we embrace our differences. And so, whenever children looked up at a rainbow, they knew it carried a secret message: we shine brightest when we stand together. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.